Are you trying to watch your business more carefully but do not have the time? Do you keep forgetting to run your important reports? Ever woke up mad because your manager did not text you last night's numbers? Well, FPOS Group and Future POS have a solution for you. Future POS has a built-in free feature that allows you to receive emails on any report you can run within the system. You set up your reports to be sent out at different time intervals that you want. You can also have different reports sent to whomever you want. Wouldn't it be nice to send a report to your payroll company automatically? Or even send that accountant the monthly reports he or she needs without having to run them yourself? Let me show you an example. For this example, I have recently set up my sales by range to be emailed to me every day and once a week. If I click on my weekly sales by range report, it is just like I had ran it within the system. When FPOS Group implements the auto reporting free function with Future POS, you can be receiving emails immediately. Now you can wake up every morning and know what your numbers are before you even get to the store. Automating the process allows you to save time to work on other parts of your business. Additionally, you will not forget to run certain reports, allowing you to keep a closer eye on your business, and more importantly, allowing you to get more profits out of your business. This is yet another way that FPOS Group and Future POS save you time and put money back in your pocket.